Jesus Christ. That's Jason Bourne.
I do, mommy, chicken, 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 chicken. I do.
Every time I'm in the kitchen, you in the kitchen.
Come on. You know you want to go outside? Oh. Oh, hey, whoa, pigeon.
Hey! Oh, you scared me! Jesus! Oh, how did you get it?
Oh my goodness, you alright?
You okay, boy?
Onde é que tu vai com essa calcinha?
Listen as a friend. You know I can't take this. Yes, I do.
Here he comes again, Thumper. Even my phone starts shaking.
Damn, babe. Oh.
Louis like cheese. No, he like him. So cutie.
Oh, it's a kitty cat. Oh!
Guess you can't leave, huh?
Sir.
Love you. He doesn't love me, apparently. Whisper. Good job, Whisper. Whisper. Good job.
Why is it spicy?
These are your kids. You gonna take care of them. You gonna take care of them. I said what I said. I'm not raising no deadbeat. I took care of your ass. Don't turn your back on me. I said what I fucking said.
Help. Help,
Mother, please,
Insta.
I'm gonna die.
I see God.
Death awaits.
You know you're famous for being dramatic? Yes.
¿Y cuándo estamos? Pero sí no te he hecho nada.
Diner on skates. Some idiot customer suggestion in the suggestion box. Oh my god, they took my idea. It was you.
Excuse me, sir.
Bark at your dog.
This is top 5 dogs I would pet besides my dog. 1. None, because you the homie, Bane. Dab me up, bro. Dab me up. 2.
You have the dogs that love the water. And then you have the dogs that hate the water.
Drop the damn camera and help.
Ow, 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 ow. Ow, ow. Ow. Ow.
behave.
Sorry. Roxy, baby.